Jasmine, welcome back to my channel. Today is a shower routine. So I'll start off cleansing my face before I get in the shower using these products. They're my absolute favourite, my dream team at the moment. So first of all, I'm going in with my Earle Hot Cloth Cleanse and Polish Cleanser, which is, as far as I know, completely natural. It's got no chemicals in it. I've been using it non-stop since I first tried it out about a year and a half ago, and I've literally not even considered using any other cleanser for my skin. So you just wet your face, massage it in, grab the cloth that comes with the initial kit. You get the bottle of cleanser and two of these little cloths, and they sort of exfoliate your skin. Then I use the Earle Exfoliator, which I've literally just run out of, so I'm quite annoyed about that. But this is a really nice exfoliator. It's not as gritty as some of the other exfoliators that I've enjoyed using, but it does the job quite nicely, and again, it's completely natural and it makes my skin feel really smooth and soft. Then I like to apply this Super Facialist mask, which I've been using on and off. I really like it. It really does a job of cleaning your skin and really extracting all of the crap from it within your pores. But what I don't like is that it does tend to make me break out. So this is very much a Sunday night kind of mask if you do have oily skin. It's a really good mask. It really does help to clean your skin out, but it can cause breakouts. So just be careful of that. Then, before I get in the shower, I always brush my hair. This is pretty much the only time I brush my hair, is just before I get into the shower. Otherwise, I like to just sort of maybe run my fingers through it or just let it sit quite naturally, but I really like giving my hair a really good brush before I get into the shower. My brush is from Eco Tools, and it's really nice, especially if you do like to brush your hair while you dry it. These are the products that I use in the shower on a usual basis, and of course I can't get in the shower without putting on an episode of Judge Judy to keep me company. Be kind about the lack of summer body. It's getting colder and more wintry, and I am just like a Christmas pudding. So I mix up the Bleach London shampoo in the rose shade, and I mix it with my Charles Worthington violet toning shampoo. So I just massage that into my hair. The pink shampoo tones your hair pink, and the violet shampoo tones your hair violet. So it gets rid of all the brassiness, which I do have a little bit going on in the back. Sometimes I do this twice, sometimes I don't get a good enough lather, especially if I have left my hair a few days without washing it. But once is usually enough, so I just rinse that out and sort of wring the hair out as well. And then I'm just grabbing my Bleach London Rose Conditioner and massaging that all the way through. I know you're not really supposed to put conditioner right into your roots, but I like to do it with this one, especially because it's a colouring one. So I do like to make sure that it's massaged in everywhere to make sure that the pink tone is quite even throughout my whole head. Then I can finally rinse my mask off. This probably has been on for about 10 minutes by this point. Then I really like to use a bar of soap, and I think the Dove ones are quite good. They don't strip all the natural oils from your skin, but I definitely like to use a bar of soap because it makes me feel properly clean. And then I'll go in with my grounded coconut coffee scrub, which I got from Boots a while ago, and it's really good. It's quite affordable compared to Frank Body and all of those brands. But it's essentially the same thing, so I'll just exfoliate my body using that. Sometimes I do leave it on for a few minutes because apparently the caffeine in the coffee grinds is meant to tone your body up. I don't know how true that is, but I really love the smell. I love the fact that I can just really feel all the dead skin coming off. I just feel so smooth after I use this. And this is something I've recently started using again. I did buy this a while ago, It's an in-shower tanner, which I hadn't really heard of before, so I was intrigued by it. And at first I thought it was a little bit of a ball ache to use, because you essentially have to cover yourself in this product and then stand outside of the shower stream for a few minutes to let it start working. So, but with it being winter now and I was so tan during my summer holiday, I'm really missing my tan, so I'm giving it a go and I do quite like it, but it is a gradual tan, so it does take a while to start showing the effects, so I'll keep you updated. Then I'll rinse off my conditioner and I'll rinse off the St.Tropez tanning, whatever it's called. I will leave the link for it. And I just start to towel dry myself off. Then when I get out, I use my Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic on a little cotton wool pad. That's a toner, and it also helps to keep your skin nice and matte and to keep any spots from coming up. And then the Repair Moisturiser, I use normal and combination. My skin is oily-ish. They do have a version for dry skin, so they've got something for everyone. And then I'm all done, and then I'll probably let my hair air dry if I'm going out straight away. I'll blow dry it, but that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.